red velvet cookies. Tara, gawa tayo. Start with 1 block of softened butter followed by 1 cup of light brown sugar. Haluin lang maigi until combined, then add in 2 whole eggs. Then haluin lang ulit until well incorporated. After that, you may now add 1/3 cup of cocoa powder. I ended up adding more later on for stronger flavor. Pala yung ginamit kong brand kasi galing akong Davao nung nakaraan. Then add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla and splash of red food coloring. Next, add in 2 cups of flour, then 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Haluin lang ulit hanggang maka-form ng dough. Optionally, I'm adding 1 cup of mixed nuts. It's up to you kung gusto mo. Then 1 block of cream cheese na hiwa-hiwa na. Do not overmix para hindi ulit maglaho yung cream cheese sa dough. Divide this into 12 100-gram balls, or kung gusto nyong mas maliliit, pwede din. By the way, I'm also adding white chocolate chips na cream cheese flavor daw on top. Allow this to rest for at least 30 minutes before baking on a preheated oven, 190 degrees for 15 minutes. I sprinkle mine with some salt after baking, allow it to cool down, then you're ready to serve.